Tēnā koutou katoa, haere mai ki nau Frills te Reo Māori. Kua pēhea tō ahi ahi. Ka rawe. Kīwaha, he aha tērā. A Kīwaha is designed to be fun. They're in every language, have fun with them. They can be made up. You can make up a Kīwaha, I can make up a Kīwaha, and if it sticks, own it. A Kīwaha is an idiom and a colloquialism. What are those two big words? Let me give you an example. I te reo Pākehā. Let's just say your mate has a plaster, a band-aid, and he doesn't want to rip it off. He's too scared. You'd say, oh, e hoa, just bite the bullet. Just do it. Bite the bullet. You wake up in the morning, you peek through the curtains, it's cold and wet outside, and you go, oh, where? It's raining cats and dogs out there. It's raining cats and dogs. If somebody is getting hassled, you go, e hoa, go easy on him. Cut him some slack. Cut him some slack. You're not going to literally get out the scissors and start cutting. The secret is, don't read into Kīwaha. Don't break them down word by word. It won't work. It won't make sense. As long as it's within context of what's going on, it'll work. So some examples, the most common examples, I te Reo Māori. Your mate's just passed an exam. They're running up to you. They go, I got an A+, I got an A+. You would say, tu meke e hoa. Tu meke. So tu meke. Wicked. Your baby has just started crawling for the first time. You've been waiting all day. Starts crawling and you go, oh, we ka mau te wehi. Ka mau te wehi. What an awesome surprise. Wow, great. You're sitting on the shores of a lake, a fish jumps, the sun's setting. It's just amazing. There's no other place you'd rather be. You breathe and you go, miharu, miharu ne. Miharu, remarkable, amazing. You've just eaten a big steak and some chips that your hoa has cooked you, and you comment, he reka e hoa, he reka, yum, this food is great. I just want to give two bonus Kīwaha that you may not have heard before. I tērā tau, I te akomanga, my kaiko would say, karuku, karuku, whenever I get nervous about an upcoming exam, karuku, just dive on in, just do it. That can be an encouraging Kīwaha. Karuku, dive in. Finally, and I've left the best for last, the warning is, if you can avoid it, don't say this to your partner or to your spouse, because it means blah, blah, blah. Have you ever had somebody just in your face like this? Well, the appropriate Kīwaha to say would be turi turi wara wara. Blah, blah, blah. Turi turi wara wara. The last bonus point I'm going to leave you with, type this in YouTube. RNZ Kīwaha. Radio New Zealand Kīwaha. You're going to find a better series on Kīwaha than this is. It's from none other than Guy on Espina and Shannon Haunui Thompson. They do a series of short clips on Kīwaha. Find it, you'll never look back. Alright, kia pai tō ahi ahi, kia pai tō pō.